Last two problems, number 11 and number 12. Again, we're factoring. So first step is look for GCF. No M's in the third one, so you can't pull an M out. And look, there's no number in front of this, so there's a 1 there, which means the only number that can go evenly into it is 1. So there is no GCF to pull out. Yay! And this is an easy one to factor because there's no number here in front of this, so I don't have to do slide and divide. So, oops, my pen's running out of ink. Oops, let me grab it. No, there it goes. Sorry, my pen was kind of running out of ink and I got it working again. So we can go straight to finding the two binomials that multiply together to give us this. So this is going to be an M and that will be an M. These two numbers multiplied together to give you a 5. So when you get one of these to factor that doesn't have a number in front of it, you should be smiling because it's much fewer steps. So make a list of the numbers. 1 times 5. 2 won't go evenly. 3 won't go evenly. 4 won't go evenly. And 5. So 1 and 5 are the only two numbers. I need it to be a 6, so we're adding them, and it needs to be both negative. Negative 1 plus negative 5 is a negative 6. So minus 1 minus 5. If you want to double check the multiplying, negative 1 times negative 5 should be a positive 5. Everything works. Beautiful. There it is. Number 12. There's a number in front of the r squared. So look for a GCF first as normal. There's not an r in the third one, but will 3 go evenly into 3? Will 3 go evenly into 21? 3 goes evenly into 30. Yep, so there is a GCF, and it is a 3. So I'm pulling the 3 out. That leaves me 3 times r squared is 3r squared. 3 times y is 21. I need a positive 7, and I need an r with it. So 3 times 7 is 21, and no r's and r's and r. 3 times y is 30. I need that to be a positive 10. Now, this part in here can be factored into binomial times a binomial. And look, there's no number in front of the r, so it can just strictly go like normal, with the 3 sitting in front. So R, and these two numbers multiply to give you a 10. So make a list. 1 times 10, 2 times 5, 3 won't go evenly, 4 won't go evenly, 5's already been used. So if I add them or subtract them, it needs to equal 7. That gives me 11 or 9. But these two, if I add them, gives me a 7. So I want to add. So they both need to be the same sign, positive 2, positive 5. So there are my two, actually 3 factors of 3 times this binomial times that binomial will give you that answer up there. The exit ticket, you want to go factor this one. So again, factor is normal. Look for your GCF. There may be a GCF. If there's not, and there's still a number in front, then use your slide and divide. And the final question is explain how multiplying binomials and factoring trinomials are related. And that was in the first video in the warm-up. It kind of reminded you how they're related. So if you need to go back and look at that first video, feel free to do that. Hopefully you know how they're related.